we guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Android. First, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and airplane mode is disabled. Then toggle Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, turn it back on before reconnecting to your network. If that doesn't work, restart your Android device and reboot your Wi-Fi router, then plugging it for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. Next, go to Settings, tap Network and Internet or Connections, then Wi-Fi, select your network and choose Forget Network. Reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. If the issue continues, check if your phone has software update by going to Settings, System, then Software Update. Uninstall any available updates. You can also reset your network settings by opening Settings, going to System, Reset Options, then selecting Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. And finally, test your connection on another Wi-Fi network to determine whether the problem is with your phone or your router.